I'm at the mouth of the Ipswich River. This is day 2 of the trip to the Isles of Shoals. I was chased up the Ipswich River to the town of Ipswich by thunderstorms yesterday. And now I'm headed downriver, down the Ipswich River with the outgoing tide, and headed for the ocean, see if I can get to the Isle of Shoals today. This is Cranes Beach, Steep Hill Beach, Castle Hill, and then over here is Little Neck, and then Great Neck behind that in Ipswich. So I'm just coming out through the mouth of the Ipswich River now. Narrow little spot here where there's a anchorage, and that's open to Ipswich Bay, and you can see Gloucester down there at the point, the rock pile, and that's the Atlantic Ocean out there basically. So I'm looking to, the prediction was for north winds shifting to the east by noontime, and it looks like they've definitely shifted east because they're east now, and it's probably 11:30 if I had to guess, or close to noon, so pretty right on the prediction. And it looks like kind of a fairly light wind, but something that we can work with anyway, enough to push the boat along. And the winds are supposed to stay east most of the day and into the evening, so as long as there's some wind out there, I shouldn't have too much trouble getting to the shoals in, 8 hours I'm hoping? Maybe, we'll see. So, it's about 20 miles from the mouth here to the Isle of Shoals, and it's pretty much due north to get there. So any wind direction that doesn't have both a north and an east in it, I'm okay with. And the more easterly, the better, really.